for the CME Group. This is Danny Riley with today's closing print, and we're right on the cash close. You know what? For most of the day, the S&P had a 5.7 handle range, and of that 5.7 handle range, we were stuck at a 3 handle range for almost 3 hours of the day. Not until late in the day did we start moving back up. You know, we're going to call this the China-Obama relief rally. You know, there is no real buying attached to this. It's all short covering. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1682.70. Late in the day, the low came in at 1667 even. Early in the day, and last, we're 1682.5. We're up 13.4 handles. Total volume, we got 1.75 million minis traded, and we've got 10,000 big S&Ps traded in the pit, but 8,000 of that is coming from the SEPTIS S&P roll. So there's really not that much volume in the pit. MOC, we had 382 million to sell. Now I want to talk about that, and I'll do that right after we talk about tomorrow's releases. We've got the MBA Purchase Apps, we've got the Wholesale Trade number, we've got the API, and we've got a 10-year note auction. But here's how this went today. It was a little odd. The MIMS started showing like 70% to the buy side and 190 to buy, and then the MIM flipped to the sell side, showing 382 million to sell, but then the futures rallied right into new highs on the close here. In fact, we just printed 2 ticks above the old high. The cash settlement right now for the 3 o'clock cash close is 1683.07. You know what? This is just one big squeeze job here. And for the most part, you know what? We know that all these traders are back at their desk, but very few of them are trading. It's a little bit of risk on, risk off, and all this is a big short covering rally. We'll leave it like that. We'll see you tomorrow on the opening print.